In this video, I will show you how to check Amazon price history. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is of course come across to Amazon and log into your account. Once you've done this, you can do this on any item. So let's just scroll down and find something we can do this for. So if we take, for example, one of these fragrances down here, let's go ahead and click onto this one here. So what you need to make sure is that you are on the item screen, and once that's done, what you can do is use Amazon's inbuilt AI, which is called Rufus. Now, if you come up to the top left hand corner, you can see we've got the icon for Rufus up here. Give that a click and that's going to open up a window on the left hand side. In here we can use the message box at the bottom and we can ask what is the price history on this item. You can also specify a time range if you want to, but I'm just going to do this generalized, so I'm just going to ask what is the price history of this item. Once you've done that, it's going to take a minute or two for Rufus to check into this and respond. You can see over the past 30 days the price of this particular product has remained stable, so there's been no change in price. And you can see it's brought up this little graph here as well, so we can see the price over the past 30 days. Now if we try this on another product, so let's go for example for this one here, so Stronger With You by Armani, and we're just going to do the same thing. So I'm going to come up and ask Rufus for the price history on this item. So what's the price history for this item, and let's see if we have any change on this product here. So again, it's going to take a minute or two to check this, and then what it's going to do, as you can see, this one has actually changed price. So you can see that it's ranged from £64 to £78.99, and the current price of £76.70 is close to the higher end of this range. You can see the graph down here showing when the price has dropped and increased, and this is just a really great way to check the price history on any items you might be looking to purchase. Now you're going to notice as well underneath we can compare this even further for 90 days. So if we give that a click, you can see the graph expands and we can check what the price was like over the past 90 days. So that's how to check Amazon price history. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.